think sales leaders should be very open to hosting a workshop because your team is always going to hear it differently from an outside perspective than they are internally.
It's a very different lens to have an expert come in and really work with people on sharpening their skills and what good looks like for them, what success looks like for them outside of our own environment, just to gain some perspective. And it's been a home run for us.
Prior to the workshop, we talked to the sales coach about what would benefit our team and what they were struggling with.
Customizing a workshop for my team was spending time with me to vet out what I felt as a primary leader in the organization, what our vision for the future was and what I felt the gaps were.
So the impact that we got from the workshop was really people being open to coaching, and it changed the trajectory of our sales team and how I personally manage the team as well. We ended up agreeing to pay for half of it because I need to believe in my sales team just as much as they need to believe in themselves. It was one of the best things we did to help catapult our organization.
I did co-share some of the investments with them because I felt it was an investment in their future, and it's continuing to pay off, and they really feel fulfilled that it was a good investment for them, and certainly a good investment for me. There are coaches around us everywhere, and we shouldn't disengage the fact that there should be a coach in our business as well.
If you haven't worked with Southwestern, you're really missing out on a great opportunity.